Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to Future channel. Guys, today let's see how to make ayurvedic medicine for severe cough. Just simply with two items, lime we say puli dodang, palm sugar we say pandang kalkanda in Tamil. Okay friends, now let's see how to make. First, peel the dodang. Second, wash them well and cut into 2 pieces. Third, squeeze them into a pan. Fourth, add palm sugar 100 gram. Fifth, add chopped black pepper seed. Sixth, keep it for a boil until it comes for a 1 cup juicy. Now it's ready. When we squeeze the lime, we get 2 cups, but after it gets boiled, just 1 cup. 7. Strain it. Guys, important, without any scare, children to elders can take this. And guys, children above 2 years should take 1 spoon 2 times a day. Children above 5 years should take 1 spoon 3 times a day. Children above 10 years, 3 spoons 3 times a day. And friends, you can store this in glass bottle and keep for 1 week. Okay guys, try this out and give a comment. Meet you all with next precious video. Thank you.